All right.
Okay.
It is Halloween 2022. And we're starting on our
pumpkin jack-o'-lantern. So I haven't done one in a while, but I know how to do it. And I've already drawn a face on it. I think it's down there, but you'll see that when I do that. But right now I'm just poking a hole so we can use an electric knife. I'll have to.
And we're also trying something different by doing it on the bottom of the pumpkin.
And I feel it's probably do it more even. So and also new electric one. Ooh, that's flimsy. Wow, that works really well, and I don't know why. Well, I do know why. Really cool. Working really well for what I know. Might. Okay. I think there's like something that's hitting. Might be a seed. The circle's not going to be even, but we're doing it on the bottom, so it won't be seen. So it doesn't really matter if we. It just needs to be big enough that we won't see it. Hurts. I need a wrist now. Yeah, it is flimsy. Why is that so flimsy? It's a little, you can see, off, but I think that will be fine. Again, they'll not be seen, hopefully. Mostly because it's a little not seen as much, mistakes are easier while we're doing this. And it's also something new. And the candle inside will stay flat. Less chance of it falling. And that's always great. But I'm not sure if, I'm not even sure if we're going to be using real candles. I don't think so, but I think we're going to use electric ones. I'm not sure those ones. But either way, almost there. Okay, so I'm not sure if I went clear around. I think I'm not that good at this, but I think I'm gonna try to open with this by pushing like right here and taking it out. That's working. Great. See, that's now. It's good. It's good. Pumpkin. Pass that also over here. Yep. This will be going to here. I'm going to sort that out later. So now we need our new idea, or it might not be new, who knows. So let's see if this works. Actually, let's start with this one. It's stranger. But if that one doesn't work, we'll go to this one because I think this one will work better. So I got this one on because it's a little stranger and maybe would work better at the start. Then when we really need to get the outer layer out, we'll start using the other one. But let's see. Yes, working good so far. What's crazy time? Working well. Steady. I'm going to finish it because if I do it like this, helping with it. I think we should start clearing some of that. That's really good.
You did that at your school?
No, we draw the button.
Let's see. Oh.
That will take more cleaning. But
Yeah.
It's time to try to scoop some of the guts out.
And then we'll use that after we I'll show a little bit of scooping it out, then I'll do the rest. And then we'll use the other one to get later. Look at that. That's mostly seeds. But we'll still do this. We'll put the seeds in there and eventually we're going to hopefully bake them. I have good pumpkin seeds. I love pumpkin seeds. It's great snack. Yes. You can pause it. Really.
Fun.
Okay, so I cleared out some of it. See, a lot of seeds. Some in there. A lot in there. Because most, what happened when I was doing that was it was just scraping the edges to get the seeds off. What I was worried about, if I used that one first, it would break the seeds. Now, that would not make great seeds. And it's okay if we lose a little. It's definitely doesn't have all of them. But I want to try this. Let's get started. Working. We'll see if my guess is right. See if it's right. Working great. Look at the end. Okay, so I was asking them to do this. And this is definitely working better than I expected. Like, there's definitely a lot more going on the top. A lot of it. Smells good. I got guts all over me. My dad was worried about it wouldn't reach to the end, but what I'm worried about is it's kind of hard to reach right at the start. So, yeah. Moving around a bit. Waist, a bit better. Right. seems good. And back to drilling. And then I'll get, that's fine. I think I'm gonna. I have spaghetti now. I don't think it will taste that good, but spaghetti. Wait. That's in the middle. Now I'm gonna get to scooping some more. Then I might get to it. Let me get the tiniest scooper ever so far that I've seen. Actually, a spoon is smaller. Plenty of this seed break? No, pretty strong seeds. I thought they would be grinded up. So guts, and more guts. I think pumpkin seeds is one of my favorite snacks. I love them. It's really good. And I will cut to when I'm finished with scooping. Then I'll get a little bit more scraping. Okay.
One.
So, okay. I carved out, carved out a lot of it. And I just washed my hands. And I don't think I will need to get the little bits rest. Ooh, that's fine. And I'll get a little bit of that to stay inside. I know it just what. Final bits, but now I need to get started. Clean the table. Now I need to do. You don't really see it now, and ignore that because it was a mistake. And I'm gonna make a pumpkin with some pretty weird eyes, one looking down, one looking up, with a nose, some face. I'm gonna try to make it a little better than that, but we'll see how it goes. So I should start with the poker. I want to start with the eyes, I think. So start with 2 holes. I'm gonna help you. No, not right now, Jessica. Then you need help? We'll see what happens. Oh, that's gonna make a pit. That's gonna look strange with the eyes, but that's fine. No, we're good. I'm good right now, Joshua. Thank you for asking. Now I'm gonna start cutting.
Do one.
I'm not gonna talk very much because don't tell me that I'm on top. Do it. I'll stop the montage halfway through. Originally, but my dad told me we don't know how to do this yet. We'll figure it out eventually, but I was thinking maybe I could do a montage or just like a video of me doing it, just a quick one, but I don't know how to do that yet. So we're not going to do this time, but still really fun. I'm kind of ignoring what I drawn because a pencil is going to make it look really strange. And so it's a little wonky, but So I'm going to quickly try the electric cutter, see if it's better for detail, not details.
I don't want.
Now I just need a. Got it. Now we have to do the other eye. That's doing the other direction. Strange. Now I am poking it. So, oh yeah. I know that because the drawing, if you can see it, probably can't. I know it's a lot different than this, but then I realized it's not even at all. I did it. So I have to start cutting. Start with this and then get to this part. It's a little bit more. It's not much. Now for the rest of it. When it doesn't work, just like a little bit of. The nose is a little close to that. I should probably be a little bit more careful showing that I'm, sharp object while swinging it around. Kind of. Ew. He's a pumpkin. He's fine if his eyes are kind of oval shaped. That's fine. Keep stabbing him. Why do we keep stabbing him? It's fun. Okay. Oh no, what is that? Because it's kind of hard. So I'm going to poke it onto the other side. So I need to cut it. There's something here that's either really cutting off. Guess I put it up right again. Wonky eyes. It's now loose. Something was up. What happened? Get that Why? What happened? It was like that. Oh, it's right there. That's what was that. Ah, there it is. Where at? Yeah. Okay. Now I'll get this. See the eyes so far? They're kind of strained. Perfect. Oh yeah, the eyes in there. Okay, so now the nose, the dreaded, weird nose that don't make any sense. This will hurt a lot. No, I have to do it from this. No. Such a weird angle. Aha. Oh, I need to do that. I have to definitely carve that out a bit more. No, this is totally the wrong tool for this one. That's better. A little. One thing that I'll definitely not do, but because it's too difficult, professionals do is they'll carve from the inside to make it look better. But I don't really want to do that. I don't know how either way. So I'm now going to start on the mouth. A lot more hard to do. Cool. Two tools. Don't know where I put my pencil, so it's now magically right here. Okay, now I'm gonna do some of it. I'll start a little bit, then we'll cut me when I do it. Because unless I get to like a certain point where it's a little more difficult, or and you put it down now. So I've gotten pretty far in it. I've done a lot on the mouth. Wipe up. And like one thing that I accidentally did while drawing it. First of all, it's pencil, so it's really hard to see, and it was way too close to the other piece, so it looked bad. So I'm now gonna just improvise and make the teeth a little higher up. So I don't know what I'm doing anymore. So let's see how this will go. Okay. So you see, it kind of works out. I'm not sure exactly how it'll be really good when I take it out. It's a little strange. Its teeth are pointy and at the gums. That would be horrible to close, that they're not even. Oh, hurts. But let's see. Here. Oh, That's fine. Aw. Oh, piece by piece, I guess. Yeah, like I said, piece by piece. Yeah, it's really thin. Got it. Oh, I have to do some. Actually make this look good. How is that going to be possible? It's a little bit too curved, and I don't know how to get rid of that curve in. Oh, I will have to definitely wash this table later. Clean up the. So far, it looks really good, in my opinion. I haven't been cooking in a while. So now, I'm actually going to try something pretty much new to me, because I left that in. So I'm going to use one of these to do detailing. Yeah, simple detailing. So to make that. Should I make? That'd be funny, just like mad. Oh, but the eyes will make it a little strange. Look. Should I do that? What was that? In the dark, you won't see much of it, but in the day, it was some personality.
One.
So my dad had a great idea. One eyebrow looking really happy. I hope this works. Maybe good. Hi. How can I get this? Maybe these ones instead? Maybe? Oh, I probably need to make some sort of indent into, because this is not meant to go on skin. So, and oh no. Again, well, I'm not doing that.
Go.
Okay. Oh, it's on? Yeah, it's on. All right. My dad got started. That's really good. When I get more of the like inside layer, it'll get easier and easier. I want to make it pretty deep, so maybe, possibly, can make it, or you can see the light. Pretty difficult. So far looks really, at least this part looks really good. Which one would be better for this? Any of these? I think this one will be better for this. No, it's different size, but okay. Ooh, that's fine. A little thinner, so. Well, now we're gonna make it kind of opposite expression. Like this is now gonna be pointing in. Let's see. Can I do this? I think I can. Like this. Yeah. It's a good start. That's fine. Yep. And so that is really, oh, that's That's strange because those are just like in the same. That's. I put 2 lines this way to hashtags. Don't know why I thought about it. Oh yeah, I see. Excellent. Didn't save much there. Uneven. Okay, so just for fun and also for looks, I made the eyebrows glow a little bit. And this right now, this flashlight really bright compared, so it won't be as bright as this, but that looks pretty cool. Like it's not like bright, but it's not like really dark. And I am just keep realizing, look at this mess I created that I need to clean up. Skin dries really quickly. Yeah. I got, because how I was doing it was like, and that I just realized it went all of the skin, and that's a problem. But one thing I want to try. You know how like some smiley faces at the very end will have like a small circle? I saw that's one thing you could do with these is but these like right here would be good. But that one's a little bit thick, so and I had a flashlight inside of it, so you can see a little bit. I will put this outside when it's done, so you can see the beauty. Flashlight really bright though, so it's gonna ultimate Jack-o'-lantern, the clueless variety. Working out. I'm not on the video now. Aha! That looks cool. That gives some expressive to it. Should I do the opposite of that on this? What is the opposite of like smiling like circle? No, but none. But I'm not sure exactly. Yeah. So I've decided I'm just gonna make it this side a little equal. And doing this. That's what I did. No, this is not the purpose of what it's meant to do, but it works same way. So do this. Oops. That looks fair out. Kind of shades off. I'm getting distracted, yeah. That's a little different size, but that's all. Just final workups on it's almost done. So I want to do some. Okay, we can pause it. Okay, so it looks so cool out here. The eyebrows were such a good idea. Like, you can see the light The thing is, we are using something really bright, so it'll be a lot less showing, but it's still really cool. Like, it just glows well. Those are nice details. I don't really know what to call them. And nose, eyes are strange, and I like how they're pointing different directions. And the eyebrows, one is a little bit different, not in like way they're pointing and how it's like shaped. It's one's curved and one's straight line, but still really good. And it's really good. I like it. So, and that's it. Thank you for watching the pumpkin experiments, and it's really cool.
Go ahead and like our video and subscribe to our channel.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Bye.